Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Sanjana. In today's video, I wanted to talk about pocket notebooks and these are amazing. So I thought I'll share my experiences and also some of my intentions to use these notebooks in 2023. So yeah, let's get started. First, I want to talk about the ones that I'm using in 2022, and these are the two. This one's from Inkbucket, this one's from Space and Beauty. I got both of these as part of 2022 planner launch freebies, so that was great. Until then, I wasn't really a fan of pocket-sized notebooks. This was the first time I started using them, and this particular one from Inkbucket, they are lined, and I started using these for my grocery list. It's just nothing very simple as to write down stuff that I need to get from the grocery store, and I'll scratch it off while I pick them up at the grocery store. So it's been working out quite well. I'm really liking the compact pocket sized one, and also because this is soft bound, it is lined, it keeps me organized. I use 2 pages per week, so it's working out really well in that sense. I write down all the vegetables I need to get done, any fruits, any things like the refrigeration section, milk, butter, curd and all that. Then here at the bottom I would write down anything that I'm getting for that specific week, which is out of my grocery weekly shopping routine section. So it's quite good. It often sits on my desk, and sometimes it gets used as other notebooks in the end, like a few of my pages. But I've been really liking it. I'm thinking I'll continue the same for 2023 as well. I'm going to use the new notebook. I'll show you in a second. Probably I'll show it now. We'll go category wise. Okay, this is the one. This one's from Tatiana, and this, I think I got it in the mystery box, if I'm not mistaken. Happy Wagon mystery box, and I absolutely love this design. I was saving this book for something really special. I thought I could write like lyrics of songs that I've been really enjoying, just the like 1 or 2 lines in a particular song that I've really connected with. I thought I'm going to use it for that because you have birds and all. It looks quite romantic, so I thought I'll do that. But you know what, this one is working out quite well for me, this particular notebook, and this is very similar to it in terms of the size and the quality and all that. So I wanted to use this for my groceries in 2023. And Happy Wagon isn't selling these separately now, so I probably for songs, I'm not doing it anyways now, so I'll think of buying another notebook when I actually get to it. But I'm going to be using this one for groceries. Okay, so we're good with that. The second notebook I have here is the Space and Beauty one. This one actually, it was just sitting in my, the magnetic closure box wherein I store stickers. It was in that particular box, and one day at the end of October, I started working on a new project, and I was in a meeting. I wasn't able to find my regular notebook that I used for my meeting notes, and I saw this. I immediately picked it up and I started making notes, and it's working out so well because it is pocket sized. I cannot really show you what I've written there because it contains some private details of people's contact details and stuff, so bear with me. Because I had like such small spaces, it allowed me to categorize it so well. I used to write down things that I had any notes from there, and anything that emerged as a to-do list after while we were speaking. Okay, this is the thing that I need to get done after this meeting or before our next call. Anything that I need to remember for next week's meeting. It because the pages were so small, it worked out really well for me to categorize stuff in each page, and I think I'll be good with this particular notebook until we have about like a week and a half left. So I will be pretty good with using this notebook for this year. There will be a few pages left though. Let's see how I'm going to use them. But for next year, I'm thinking I will use a notepad instead of a pocket notebook wherein I have things categorized. I will share those notepad details in another video as soon as I can. So these were the 2 sort of notebooks that I was using in 2023. In 2022. In 2023, along with this grocery notebook, I wanted to add two more. This one you have seen, I transformed it a little bit with the Happy Wagon laptop skin. This is actually the Neora pocket-sized planner, and because it was too plain for my liking, I went ahead and added the laptop skin here. I think it looks great. I have just been really loving and admiring this cute notebook or planner now. And this is the hourly layout. I've done a separate video on how I'm going to be using this. In case you're interested, I will leave a link in the description box below. You can check it out. So yeah, I'm going to use this to manage my schedule, time, just to make sure that I am living a well balanced lifestyle. All the aspects of my life are being given proper importance, and one is not ignored over the other. So yeah, I'm gonna be using this one, but I've just been liking it. I laid down a few stickers here in the vision board spread. I don't know what I'm gonna be using the spread for, but I was just bored one day and I laid down these stickers, and it looks quite good. It matches very well with this color. So I'm super excited to use this because of the design. I feel it looks so cute and nice. So yeah, this is the second one I'm gonna be using in 2023. And then this one, I did a haul in this recently last week. Again, I will leave it in the description box below in case you want to check it out. There are a lot of stationery products in that haul. So you're gonna like it if you haven't watched it yet. This is the pocket-sized hardcover notebook from Rohani Rang, and I love it. It looks so cute and nice. I feel it looks quite posh and classy and elegant with all these gold detailing. And I had a few ideas. I just bought this notebook because it was pretty, but now I'm thinking I could use it as my weekly reflection. If you haven't watched my how to use the Inkpicket planner part 2 video, I talk a lot about the weekly reflection page here. This is not going to work for me in 2023 at all. I'm 100% sure about it. So what I'm thinking is I could do my weekly reflections in here, and I could categorize it based on the quarters of the year, like quarter 1, quarter 2, and that would be great because Rohani Rang offers the specific notebook in 4 different colors. That is great. 1 color for each quarter. It's gonna look amazing. I will be excited to change things up because with planners you use that for the entire year. So having certain notebooks tagged up along with it just gives you a little bit more change and excitement. So I would really appreciate that. And I was thinking for quarter 1 I'll use 1 color, quarter 2 I'll use another one. And the way I've been doing my weekly reflection is surrounded with tarot reading. So by using this notebook, there are a lot of advantages. One, I'll get to have all my tarot readings in one spot, and I can really see a progress with what my intention was that particular week. How did I do, doing a little bit of a mini reflection, and then I can continue that for the entire quarter. And I do a couple of other tarot readings, like a monthly tarot reading, then a new moon one, a full moon one. I can do all of that in this, and I feel the number of pages that are there here would be plenty enough for a quarter. So this is gonna work really well. I'm hoping, at least I feel like as soon as I got this idea, I'm like, okay, this is great. It's gonna work out quite well. So you guys know what's my next step. I will go ahead and order all the other 3 colors that are there. They're quite affordable as well. This is, I think, $3.50 because it's handmade paper. I've been really loving using handmade paper. It is hardbound. It's got all these gold detailing, which looks quite nice, and using 4 of them throughout the year, different colors, I'm just gonna love it. I'm 100% sure about it, and that's one advantage. So I'll have everything in one place. The second advantage is that I can share about tarot reading with you guys. You've been asking, not a lot of requests, but a few people have been requesting for me to do a tarot reading video. and I'm just a little bit confused about how exactly I want to make that video. And as soon as I felt like I can use this for that, I'm like, great, I can do videos on this too. This way in 2023 I can introduce something new into my videos that I do on my channel. It'll be a nice change for you as well. In this we can talk about spirituality, guidance messages, tarot readings, new moon reading, full moon reading, all of that amazing stuff which has added a lot of value in my life, and I want to share that with you guys. So I'm really excited for this one too. So these are the 3 types of notebooks. Just like I mentioned, I'm gonna be picking the other 3 colors as well. They're so pretty, guys. One has got that icy blue, snowy blue color. The other one is a bright pink. Then one more is a very nice like pastely peach color. Like I'm just really excited to order those. In fact, I'm gonna order it as soon as I'm done uploading this particular video. Oh, I have another pocket notebook actually. You know what, let me show that. It is here, just bear with me a second. This one, this particular book, I got it while I was in Kochi this year. I found this particular notebook. Oh my god, this is so great. I bought a few notebooks actually to as gifts to some of my friends here. I wanted to give them. I feel this is a great gift option from India. So I got this one for myself, and I've been using this particular notebook while I meet with my mentor to write about stuff that we are discussing about. And also my mentor, sometimes she'll like to have a pen and paper to like explain certain things. So this is working out quite well for it, and I think it's such a cute way. When I go to meet her, I don't carry any bag or something. I just put this in my pocket. It's truly a pocket notebook. Just put this in my pocket and it works out quite well. So I've got a little bit of a variety. I think that's great. It's not like very similar. Probably these 2 are similar to each other because of the birds, but the inside pages are different, the brand is different, which is nice. So I've got a little bit of a variety, and I am really excited for 2023 to use these notebooks. So yeah guys, I hope these gave you certain ideas, and I hope you can include some of these in your planning routine because they're just really cute to avoid. Alright then, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.